Hi everyone, I'm Yoshitaka, chef of Granite, one-star Michelin Paris. So every day I prepare French classical omelette and omelette with black truffle. True omelette. I show you technique for omelette and 1 point to make it easy. All right. So let's start. Omelette is very simple. We need 5 ingredients. So eggs, butter, salt, and white pepper, and heavy cream. So 5 ingredients. For one omelette, we need 1, 2, 3 or 4 eggs, and a pinch of salt, pepper, a little cream. That's all. So, what is important for omelette is the technique. Good technique is very important. All right. So I show you. Let's start. The first is prepare eggs. Okay. So I use 4 eggs for classical omelette. All right, let's go. Crack the eggs. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay. Add the salt and the pepper and a little cream. So next step is a mix well with a hand blender. It is easy to make, all right? Like this. But mix it without trapping any air, all right? Just mix. Just mix. It's okay. 10 seconds. And strain through fine strainer. All right, like this. You know, this is the air. So now look at this. Eggs is very smooth and silky, you know, like this. This is for one omelette. Okay. So now it is finally the cooking the omelette. Very simple. So we need non-stick pan. I recommend non-stick pan to make it easy. And I use gas oven, sorry. Because I prefer gas to induction stove. So I use gas today, all right? And chopsticks for mix, for stir, and spatula, right? So I use over medium high heat, like this. Heat the pan, about 20 seconds, I think. Wait 20 seconds. And 20 gram butter, I think, as you like, huh? No, not yet. So making omelette needs quick work. Quick work. I think making omelette is 30 seconds, I think. Very quick. So, pan is ready, very hot. As a butter, I think 20 grams. All right, like this. The butter forms, but not brown butter. Not brown butter. Pour the eggs, you know. Now I'm going to make scrambled eggs, soft scrambled eggs. When the eggs are about 50% cooked, I stop stirring, like this. More. I think it's okay, you know. Very soft scrambled eggs. I take spatula. Next step is folding omelette, you know. Oops. Fold one side over, you know, and tap the handle. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Like this. So very quick work, huh? So wait 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. It's okay. Finish. Look at this. When the eggs, omelette is very fluffy, it rolls in the pan. So it's perfect omelette, you know? Allez. Next. Slide onto the plate and as a little butter on top for nice shine. Like this. And the further side, just a little. And bon appétit. Fluffy omelette. Thank you.
Take one.
Yes, take one.
Action.
So next omelette is luxury omelette with black truffle. I already cooked today. This is a chopped black truffle, cooking with butter and Madeira wine, you know, and the sherry vinegar. But you cook it at home. This is very expensive, black truffle. So you choose mushroom, you chop mushroom, and cooking with butter 15 minutes. That's all. It is very more expensive. All right. So today I show you omelette black truffle. So this is eggs, the same. As a black truffle duxelles, I think one big spoon like this, and I mix. No. It's ready. Very simple. Eggs, cream, salt, pepper, black truffle. So I start cooking over medium high heat. Heat the pan 20 seconds. And the butter 20-gram butter. Chopsticks. I think it's okay, right? So 20-gram butter. Not brown butter, like this. So now pour the eggs with black truffle. I start cooking. So this is the same technique. I'm going to make scrambled egg like this. When the eggs about 50% cooked, I stop stirring. Yeah, I think it's okay. So next, folding the omelette. Un peu plus. Wait 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. It's okay. So, folding the eggs. Tap, tap, tap. 1, 2, 3, 4. Like this, you know. So it's okay. I think more flurry? No, it's okay. No problem at all. Hop. No. It is more difficult because with black truffle. All right. So slide onto the plate. With gravy sauce today. Like this. So this is omelette with black truffle. Bon appétit!